Are you still using a normal shower head with no filter? Gross. Do you know what kind of chemicals are in the water? Google our filtered shower head. Game changer. Great for your skin, your hair. You got to get rid of these non-filtered shower heads. I'm going to show you how to install it. We'll give it a review. Let's go. First things first, got to get rid of the old one. Let's see if we can do it without tools. Oh yeah, easy peasy. I mean, and this is a quality shower head, so Kohler. But with no filter, the water is hard and it's just not good for you. She gone and there's water. There's water everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're making a mess. That's okay. But just look at that hard water. This is why you needed a filtered shower head. All right, what's in the box? Love the name, Google R. Here we go. We got the shower head. Pretty straightforward. Boom, boom. Tons of settings. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 settings. Hey, I could have just read it right there. It says 6. It's all right. We're learning. Filters. Filters for days because we need that clean water. 75-inch hose. You can go anywhere. Wash your dog. Wash your whole body. First adapter. This one's kind of neat. You can put this on the wall and it'll hold everything. Hold your cord. I'll show you how to use it. You got some instructions. You're watching this video, no longer needed. And your good old Teflon tape. All right, that's it. Let's go put it up. First things first, we got to get the Teflon tape on there. You're going to follow a little righty tighty. I like to start on the, not the first thread, but about the second thread. Get a good couple wraps on there. No need to go crazy. Get onto that last one. Maybe a little farther. That's all right. There we go. No leaks. Let's not block the water though. Step numero dos. Dos? Dos. 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 I don't know. I'll speak Spanish. Got your little screen here. Get it in. Oh, yeah. And then we're just going to turn around. Righty tighty. And she's going to be all righty. Terrible. All right, we're halfway there. There's some holes in this house. Don't tell my wife. All right. I'm digging these little plastic threaded screws. Interesting. Cheap Chinese stuff, but you know, it's about the little things. You're going to take your nut. Stainless steel. Oh, come on. Get her on there. Come on, Betsy. There she goes. That's a gem. Real gem. No tools here. Is she going to leak? I don't know. Filtered shower head, might I add. Do we think there's one in there? Do we know? I don't know. Put in the comments, what do you think? Oh yeah. If you said yes, you are correct, and you get 5 brownie points. That's pretty good. Twist her on. Isn't that a piece of cake? But you're saying, Charlie, what am I doing with this massive hose? That's why they got this dilly whopper. Also nice and stainless. So, let's give you a good picture here. Activate the suction cup. Unactivate. So you should probably clean your tile, but we're going to just wing it here. I don't know where I want it. I feel somewhere like here is going to be a gym. So we're in the unlock state. I don't know if you can see that. Let's check that. Oh yeah, let's get her in here. Oh, we got a good visual. Let's just zoom in. Oh yeah, there it is. Push it on there. We're in unlock. Boom. I don't know how hard I would pull on it, but it's on. Or you know what I should have done is put it down here and then you could have washed your dog with it. That's thinking. Let's try that. I'm going to put it down there. So then if I ever want to wash the dog, boom! Genius. I tell you, genius levels. All right, let's test out the functions. I guess we'll check and see if we have any leaks too. Oh yeah, definitely leaks. Whoops. Maybe you should tighten it with a wrench. But for now, we'll let it slide. Let's show off the thing. So this is the on and off. So you got one there at the center. A little gentle shower. Add a little mustard. A lot more mustard. Oh my, that is shooting at the roof. I don't know about that one. I don't know what you're going to use that for. Well, I'll probably go there. That seems like the best one for a shower. But you know what? I'm going to have to tighten it so we're not leaking. But yeah, I mean, good pressure, good filtering. Going to make the skin and the hair and all those things nice and smooth. And you're not getting the chemicals. We know what the chemicals do, supposedly to the frogs. We don't want that. And with that, job done. Thanks for watching.